thanks very much for visiting my channel, Buck Maverick Outdoors, and thanks very much for clicking on this video. I'm doing a camp out with the Woodland Wanderer Bivvy camp. It's for International Bivvy Day, so we've got a 3x3 DD tarp, snug pack stratosphere, bivvy, DD magic carpet, big Agnes mat, Thermarest sleeping bag. That's about it really. Right, quick rundown at kit for you. It's brew time now I think myself. I'm parched. We went to set up in Liverpool Castle, but it was busier than Liverpool train station.
Yeah, I took my mate.
That was horrendous, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think the sun's brought them all out today.
There were more dogs than you can imagine. It was levered.
Oh,
It was
unbelievable. Never seen it that busy before.
We waited up there for 2 hours. That's hence the video is at night time. Waited a couple of hours for see if it calmed down, but it just it was like somebody had pulling up in coaches, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A lot of people would leave and then a lot more would turn up. You're like, where's the coach park around here?
Yeah.
I think a lot of them from Liverpool, weren't they?
Yes.
It sounded like it, didn't it?
Excuses.
Yeah, so it's Liverpool Castle, and they come to Bolton to see Liverpool Castle. Happy days. Yeah. Yeah, we just thought we'd do a quick bivvy camp for this International Bivvy Day, for in aid of shelter in it.
Yeah.
It's an aid of shelter. See if we can get another Guinness World Record. I think they got one last time, didn't they?
I think it was 1600 last time.
1600 last time.
Yeah, but I don't think it was that international. I think it was just Great Britain. So.
Right, so we might get a few more this time.
Yeah.
Then a look. Smoke time, brew time. Let's swap my jet ball canister. Fits me on the gas stove. Or else I'll be having water instead of tea.
Cold tea.
It won't kill you, will it? You know, having a glass of water now and again. I'd rather have a cup of Yorkshire tea though. Yeah, it's been quite busy up here today. Is it International Rivington Day or something? Do you think?
I bet there's a few up there on that Rivington Pike before. We could see them up there like ants, wouldn't there?
Yeah, hundreds of people up Rivington Pike. It's a wonder that hill can check late. It's definitely a well-worn path now, then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see how comfy we are tonight. It's going to be a cold one tonight, Stu.
Yeah.
Below freezing, they reckon, don't they?
Yeah, man.
So, let's hope we're warm enough. Never mind. Still people, you can still hear kids screaming, can you? At distance. And it's Save Dartmoor. That's what the password was for today. I think I'll have a change tonight. I'll have some Earl Grey.
Yeah.
I like my different types of tea. Bit of Earl Grey today. Or some Lapsam Souchong. Earl Grey will do. a wander and collect some firewood. That's what I'll be doing next. I've got to remember when I get out of my bed, do I need a pee, that I'm in the middle of a load of holly. You definitely got to remember that. Just let that brew for a minute. I pulled my back on one side, and that's why if it gets really bad, I'll just have to pack up. But I've been sleeping on the floor for the last, I don't know, 2 or 3 nights, and it seems to have helped it. On an air mat, but on the floor downstairs in my front room. I think it's a bed that's causing me back problems. I'm going to have to invest in a new bed, I think. Or I'll throw the bed away and just put my air mat in the bedroom. Or string an hammock up in there, maybe better. Cheers. Cup of Earl Grey. Twinings tea. Or Twinnings, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Lovely jubbly. I don't know if you can see it in this light, but I've got a new knife from York Knives. Magna cut. Beautiful, beautiful blade. He's done a really good job of that. And it's not razor sharp, it's scurry sharp. It's really good. Magna cut. Hey, you want to check now York Knives out? It's quite a bit of a waiting list for his knives, but they're worth getting. This was built to my spec. It's got a Scandivex grind on it instead of a Scandinavian grind. With a sheath with a dangler on it. I'll stick some pictures on of it later. It's a really, really nice knife. Curly birch handle, red scales, Magna cut steel. See how long it retains its edge for. I've got a few good knives. I've got a few Moras. I like Moras. They're only cheap. Well, cheap. I've got Garberg. That's quite expensive. But Companion's worth the money. Stuff like that. They're all good knives. And I've got a couple of custom knives as well that I use. I quite enjoy. I've got a Swiss Army knife that I use all the time. It's my everyday carry. It's like I use it for all kinds. I use it at work. Tightening the odd screws up here and cutting a bit of this and good. Oh, that brew's lovely. Absolutely stunning brew that. Right, that's enough of that. Then we'll go and have a look at Stu's camp, see how he's set up, if I can find my way. Well, that's an idea. Get myself tidied up round here and I can find stuff. Last time I camped here one time and somebody stole my kettle. So, that was a bit of a pain in the backside. I don't understand it. They stole my kettle, but they didn't steal my phone. And my phone was recording and it didn't have any video. Well, it was deleted, and it's like, wow, that's trippy that. Because you think they'd have nicked the phone with the tripod before they nicked the kettle, wouldn't you? I was wondering about collecting timber when I came back. My kettle had gone. Never mind, strange things happen. The shortage of tomatoes I've seen, and everyone blames like Brexit, Ukraine war. I don't think we get our tomatoes from there, but if you want tomatoes all year round here, you need a heated greenhouse, don't you? And with the energy prices skyrocketing, cost of growing tomatoes is going to get more expensive, isn't it? So common sense, the people who grow tomatoes want more money for the tomatoes. Supermarkets aren't willing to pay more money, so people stop growing tomatoes, and that's why you've not got no tomatoes on the shelves. It's just that simple. There's no anything weird to it. I'm not really sure on how we import our gas. If anybody knows out there, let me know. But can't see point in importing gas when we've got loads of it in North Sea that we're probably selling and not using ourselves. It's a strange thing, isn't it? I don't understand all the economy. I just know I didn't have any tomatoes for a bloody ham sandwich with, which knocked me a bit, but never mind. I can always use tomato ketchup or some tin tomatoes. Anyway, enough of that. I'll turn the lights out to make people wondering about it. See you all in a bit.